Hey friend, hey, welcome back to the channel. So I'm really excited to talk with you today because there's been a couple of big updates, not like a lot of, well, there's been a lot of progress, but two really big updates as far as the house is concerned that I'm going to share with you today. We've got another giveaway winner that we're announcing today. And then we've got a change in loan limits. I don't know if you've heard, and some of you all, if you're buying on the higher end of the loan spectrum, this might be beneficial for you, especially if you're under contract and not scheduled to close until next week. So today's video is going to be all about all of those updates. And then we're going to wish you a Merry Christmas and we will see you after the new year. So let's hop into today's video. So today I'm super excited to welcome you back to the channel. My name is Kay. If you've never met me before, I'm a wife, I'm a mom of 4, and this channel has been completely dedicated to us building our Forever Right Now home out in Beorne, Texas. Our family is a family of 6, and you can catch us over on the Instagram to learn more about us. But on our YouTube channel, we're documenting building this process, sharing everything that we learn along the way. This is the first home that we've ever built, the 3rd home that we've purchased. So things are a lot different for us this time. So we're sharing that process with you as we learn it. And today we got some tea. So here we go. So first things first, since the last time we've been out there, the house is being bricked and it is officially tape floated and textured. We got an email yesterday. And our email on yesterday said, we have your closing date and your cabinets will be in this week. Yay! So we are officially scheduled to close for February 28th. They're scheduling our home orientation the week before. We currently have our apartment to the 28th of February. So we're in conversation now with them to say, hey, is there anything that could possibly delay us from this date? If so, we want to make sure we have a little cushion. We're going to need to get out the apartment, so on and so forth. So really, really excited about that. When we went by the house, it was really hard to get to the house because the bricklayers are out working. So we weren't able to get as much footage, but I was able to get just a little bit of the inside to show you all what it looks like once the drywall has been inserted, it's been taped off, and it's been textured and ready for paint. And I also got a little bit of the footage of the guys working on the brick and what the brick looks like so far. So initially looking at the brick, I was like, that don't look like white sand and white mortar. But I have also been warned that our brick will look completely different after it's been completely installed, power washed, and all that good stuff. So right now, they're just laying the groundwork for everything to go up. They've got some work to do on it, but that is super, super exciting. And I'm really, really excited to have an official close date on hand. That made my day. Second thing that we were brought up to speed about this week as it relates to lending. So now that we have a close date, we have to go back to our lender and basically requalify. And all it is just running your process again, making sure that you still got the money, making sure that your credit is still intact, and making sure that you have all of the documentation that you need. So when it comes down to closing, you are ready to go. They usually do this 60 days before closing. So we're not scheduled to do this until right at the beginning of the year. But what we learned, which for us is really exciting because we were in jumbo loans land, we learned that the conforming loan limit has been increased, and it has increased quite substantially. So it's been an 18% increase in line with the overall market rate of what homes have increased in the past year. For us, that's pretty amazing, not because we couldn't afford the home, but qualification standards are a little bit different when you're doing conforming loans versus jumbo loans. And news like that means we don't have to have as much cash down at closing, which is really exciting. Not because we don't have the cash, but because we get to keep the cash and put that towards making us more cash. So I don't know for sure yet how that process is going to work. We will update you once we've had the conversation with the lender. So when we come back in January, I'll be able to give you an update and status. But if you're along the lines as we are, and you're kind of in that same time frame as us, ask your lender what that means for your lending process and see if you can take advantage of it, because we certainly are going to see if we can take advantage of it, because that means we can take a lot of this cash that we have and flip it and do something else with it and make us some more money, which would be highly beneficial for us versus, I mean, we're going to pay off the house anyway, but still, you know, you want your cash money in your hand so you can do something with it. So that was super, super exciting. So we've got close date, bricks are going on, which is chef's kiss. I can't tell you how excited I am about these bricks, because now the house is starting. It's coming together. We are turning the circle, and it is super, super exciting. So I've been meticulously, where I'd been planning before, I've really started to plan, really pulling my fixtures together, going and finding real imagery of them around on the internet so that I can really start to pull together mood boards. The hubby and I are making like an essentials list that says in the order of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, what's going to be done, so on and so forth, when we move in, so we can start to tackle projects. And this is really starting to feel, it's starting to feel real. Like we closed on our old house. If this is Wednesday when you see this, we'll be closing on our old house tomorrow. Like, it's just a great place to be. It's a really great place to be. So I held off a little bit with making this video this week just because there was information coming in, and I wanted to make sure that I had some adequate updates for you all before the end of the year. I know I said I was going to make some martinis, but I hadn't been feeling 100%. So I've just been really trying to get us moved, get us settled. The kids have been out, so it's been a whole lot going on. So I just figured I'll make those in my Insta stories over the next couple of days. And y'all can tune in on Instagram to get the martini recipes, and I'll have them on the blog as well. So yeah, those are the updates for today. So let's get into today's giveaway winner. Woo! All right, so the random picker for today's giveaway winner. Hold on, I'm reaching over to my computer. Kimberly Loves Fashion. All right, Kimberly, you are the winner for today's Bed Bath & Beyond $100 gift card. So if you shoot me over your email, I can log into Bed Bath & Beyond real quick, purchase the gift card, and send it over to you. Trudy, Omega Creations, girl, I sent you an Instagram DM and let you know that I literally just found your information yesterday. So I've ordered your stuff. We're going to put some express shipping on it to see if we can get it there for Christmas. If not, then it'll be there right after the holidays. I'll shoot you a screenshot of the confirmation. But yeah, that's where we at. That is where we at. Guys, you have been so supportive, and this has been such a great time over the last couple of months. All of the comments, all of the engagement, all of the questions, all of everything has just been absolutely amazing. And I really do appreciate you guys for being a part of my community. So thank you for watching these videos and giving us just the feedback and the support while we're going through this process. It's really been amazing to see how many people we connect with here and on Instagram, and we start to hear your stories, and you're sending pictures of your houses. I love it. So it's really been fun to celebrate with you all as well. I'm really, really excited now. I know that there'll be much more interesting updates coming in the new year, because the house, it's the fixings, right? It's the stuff that we've chosen, and these next couple of months are going to fly by. So really, really excited to see that. Cabinets will be in. Y'all know this weekend is Christmas, so I don't know if we'll go over there. And if we do, it certainly won't be with the intent to film. We will not have another video unless, because we still, even though Christmas is Saturday, we are still doing a major giveaway once we hit 1,000 subscribers, and we are about 67 subscribers away. at the time that I'm recording this video. Let me make sure I'm not lying to you. Hold tight. I could be lying. Let me pull it up. Let me pull it up. Let me go to my YouTube channel. So we are, hold tight. We are currently at 948 subscribers. So that means we are 62 subscribers away from 1,000. And I will announce what that giveaway is once we reach the 1,000 mark. So the only way you'll hear from me again is if we get over 1,000 before the new year. I'm pretty sure we can do it. That's the goal. So for those of you that have already subscribed, please share this video with your friends. Share it everywhere. Share it on Facebook, share it on Instagram, share it wherever you share content with the people that you like, and let them know that you like it and that this channel is something that could be a resource for them if they're looking to purchase a home. 62 subscribers away with a little less than a week or so to go in a year. I'm pretty confident we can do it. We grow about 30, 40 or so subscribers every week. So I think we're there. So that's it for today's video. Merry Christmas to you. Happy New Year's to you. Thank you. Kimberly Loves Fashion. Shoot me your email so I can shoot you your Bed Bath & Beyond coupon or gift card. I'm sorry. And I will see you guys after the new year.